You're listening to the show on KJZZ, and these are the sounds of the city.
My name is Ben Duffy, and we are at the Wedge. It's the love of my life. I mean, it's something that I've been doing since I was 13 years old. Woo! It's just the most fun thing I can do, and it's cathartic, it's therapeutic. I had a lot on my mind today. I came here and I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna keep it simple today. And I landed a backside Smith grind, and I did it so perfectly. It looked like it's supposed to look. And that just gave me, like, as cheesy as this sounds, a feeling like at that moment, like everything's gonna be okay.
That was Ben Duffy skateboarding at the Wedge Skate Park in Scottsdale. If you have suggestions or hear things that make Phoenix Phoenix, or just want to carve us on a half pipe, I have no idea what that is. Send us a note, theshow@kjzz.org.